Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm back with how to unstyle. Today I want to teach you how to draw emotions. I know I have a video about how I hate drawing emotions, but since I have drawn them, I fall in love with them and I try my best to improve every day in emotions. Yeah, I will link the video in the description box if you want to watch it. Anyway, in the previous video I have drawn 3 basic emotions: happy, sad and angry. Today I want to draw some weird emotions and I want to teach you how to draw any emotion without any problem. So I want to draw unsure person and shocked person and disgusted person. Yeah, all of this. Anyway, if you want to draw emotion, first of all you should have an example. Get an example from real life or from images in the keyboard. Whenever every character and every drawing has a story, so try to describe it in emotion. Yeah, so 3 things matter when you want to draw an emotion: eyebrows, eyes and mouth. With these 3 you can create millions of emotions by different tiny poses. Yeah, as you see, when you want to draw unsure person, you want to give this weird eyebrow style and like a flat mouth. I just want to note also that the skin tone and the cheek colors matters also when you want to draw an emotion. I mean, you want to draw a disgusted person, you want to draw green, you want to apply green on the cheek. You want to draw a shocked person, you want to apply some blue also on cheeks. So when you want to draw an angry person, you want to apply some red on the cheeks. So also coloring of skin tone and cheeks matters. I will show you the coloring when we finish drawing. Anyway, when you want to draw a shocked person, you want to draw flat eyebrows and like a rounded mouth. And for the last one, the disgusted person, just I want to close his eyes. When you just see this closed eye, you think about a very happy face, but you want to give this weird smile, it just swipe up to a disgusted person. So you see how beautiful the emotion word is. Like, it is so beautiful and so funny to draw emotions, and you can practice to be an expert in emotions. Everything need a practice. Yeah, anyway, I'm just highlighting so that I'll be able to color it digitally. I didn't give him hair because of time. I don't want to draw hair because the main thing is emotions. I hope you understand and you can now draw emotions. Yeah, just try to figure out. You can see emojis from the keyboard. I always get inspired from them to draw an emotion. Yeah, because they are simplify emotion explanation. Yeah, anyway, even animals, you can describe them in emotions, but you need like some practice make perfect. Yeah, anyway, so here we go. So let us swipe to the digital coloring. As I told you, I want to color the cheeks of the shocked person blue and for the disgusted person green. So now we will see. I just use an airbrush digitally to just like somehow coloring, not the whole skin colors. Yeah, so let us see. I want you to see. So let's go 1, 2 and 3. Here we go. How beautiful they are. You see this green and the blue? Just a small tiny touch makes difference. So yeah, here we go. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe for more videos, and bye.